Hello guys, I'm back on our daily analysis for the DXY, and today again we are looking at the dollar index. Analyzing one of the pairs like Euro and the GBP. Especially I'm focusing on the Euro. So whenever the dollar goes up, it's better to sell Euro rather than GU. Okay, so yesterday we discussed, and also you have seen the video posted by ICT House telling that you should be looking at this emotional fair value gap get straight through, came down at a support, and now again what we are doing in this time frame, this two lines, that I mean the different color lines. When we go on to the lower time frame, I will show you how they are being traded through, coming back at a support. So all this price telling me that the price is going to reach a level, and that level I am targeting. Let me show you that on the daily time frame. Okay, so more so I'm focusing on the level that is this one. Okay, I'm focusing on this volume balance, and I want to see price go there. You see how it has acted in support on there. Yesterday, I take it to let me remove the levels in here. Yeah, I'm also like to a naked chart analysis always because it's more to clear. I mean, it's just clear to see price action what's doing, and line just for a newbie who is just started training. I don't think he should have a clear lines, more so lines in the price. It's just try to read the naked chart. It's gonna be more helpful for you guys to understand the price action. Yesterday, I took a trade here, not in the dollar, in the euro. Just understand it in the same sense if it's euro. I took a trade here. We entered a rally, but I wasn't able to hold my trade. That's a part of psychology I'm working on. Um, I was just thinking that let's just capture the move and get out of the market. So for me, mm, it's coming down against support, down candles when we get to, overall, I'm looking to aim at this area. And Today is Wednesday. I like to see the continuation in the price. Nothing else. Continuation in the price action for the bullish one. Listen, guys. When you have a clear direction in your market, it's so helpful for you guys to. I mean, when you don't know the strong liquidity, in the yesterday video, I told forget about everything and just focus on where price is going to go, where's the next strong liquidity. Because if we don't understand where the strong liquidity is, how we will be able to trade? It's going to be very hard. So first of all, we need to understand where's the strong liquidity is. Now on this chart 4 hour time frame, what do you guys think where's the next strong liquidity is? Think about a second. It can be we are in a bullish move, inversion fair value gaps. Yesterday ICT told. Now the daily fair value gap, which has been traded through. Look at this one. What do you guys think these all are representing? These all are just representing one thing, that we are bullish. Came down, CB, BC. We didn't fulfill this. We don't need to because on the higher time frame, it was already down what it's needed to. More so, it's not like distortion in price, but okay. So the level today I'm looking at. I also wanna look at the continuation of the price action today. Um, I don't see this low being violated because for me, this is a high time frame institution order for entered drill. We rallied, we get a rejection from the rejection block of the 4 hour time frame. Now, um, I personally don't think that this low should be violated. Let's switch to onto the lower time frames. Uh, See this Moses looks like a market maker buy model. Okay, so this one clearly you can see we have traded inside this range. Mm, okay. Well, I can see that this fair value gap is still left. Why this is a fair value gap? Because I'm going to give you a secret here. Listen this. Just watch this. This is a fair value gap, and this is not a fair value gap just because of the fact that this candle has traded outside of this range. This candle is below. I mean, it has not broken this structure yet, so this is not a fair value gap. This is a fair value gap because it has traded through outside of the range. That's why this level becomes more obvious and salient to watch rather than this fair value gap. Now you get the sauce here. Rocket, guys, rocket! What I just told you is just gold. It's really a gold. Okay, what's this? Um, so as it as I can see, now let's enter it in the charts. Let's make it red. Remember, guys, why this is a fair value gap? Because it has traded through the structure. It has traded outside of the range. This, which I have told you, whatever whoever is watching, you are never going to get this, even from ICT. This is something beyond the charter level. And if you don't trust me, I'm not saying that you trust me. Just wait, watch, find out. This what I told you. Just this is not a favorite. However, can price trade through? I mean, can price reach here? Of course, price can. It can reach there. Now, as you know, this is a fair value gap I'm looking at, and the relative equal highs. Forget about the VIX. Look so. Yeah. Also, this high is lower than this high, so it's gonna be more easy. Although price is showing a willingness to go under the higher time frame, I mean go higher, but still, what we will do, we'll wait for the price came down, reach here, and if we see any kind of displacement in the price action on the lower time frames, then I'll be able to enter in the market. Nothing else. I think this is gonna be the opening. Yeah, price is up and down, gone up, and this is the Asian range. Okay, not the Asian range, the CBDR. Okay, this is the CBDR. Now let me switch on to the lower time frames. Okay. Oh, where is it? Oops. Okay, enter. Now we have switched onto the lower time frames. Now it's gonna be more easy for you guys to see. Um. Mm, mm, mm. You guys can see this, but I don't think personally that um really price will reach here. I don't know. It can. If it comes down that um I really mean I don't think that price need to come here. I don't think so. Many times people see, and you guys have also seen that while over time frame imbalances, why the imbalances or the favorable gaps are still left? Because the answer is on the higher time frame, it has already done what it's been needed to. So why it will do onto the low time frames? Doesn't need to. Um, what's this level? Let's go to the 5 minute chart. It looks like an obvious liquidity here, but I don't want to participate in this market for the downside. Still looking for the upside moment because the next round liquidity for me is look at this all ice, so lower ice. So I think market will draw the price there. No, okay. Can this the fair value gap under the lower time frame can be filled? Yeah, it can be, but on the high time frame, it's not needed to. Try to understand what I'm telling you. We can reach here and fill this fair value gap, but well, this candle has also broken a swing high. Yeah, it has, but has it traded outside of the range? I don't think so. The range is outside. This candle has made this consolidation part. I mean, we have just traded outside of this range with this candle. So it's more likely for the price to visit here, take out the sell side liquidity here, and then rally. Also, mm, okay, I think we are done with the dollar. Let's go to the euro. Hmm. Always prefer to start with the item frame. If we are looking above prices for the dollar, then we are looking for the dollar side of the euro. And obviously, I will not lie. I do think that this relative equal lows will be taken out. Okay. So, um, what we can see in this chart, these are the levels for this chart, and quickly let's switch to the lower time frames slowly by slowly. One thing I would like to really see today. I mean, look at all the days how bodies are respecting this favor gap. This is not a good sign. This is really not a good sign. But as we are seeing a clear direction in the dollar, I mean, for me, it's clear. I don't know for all of us, but for me, it's clear. I really want to see price today trade through this fair value gap with the body. not the VIX, because look at all the VIX. We are respecting this. This is not a good sign for the. I mean, this is not a good sign for the bearishness. That's why. Um, Yesterday, if I think the master market make high of the day, if I think so, then let me see this. Okay, yeah. So this favorable gap is being respected. No, this favorable gap is not being respected. That's also not a good sign. So Euro is a little bit complicating for me because it's not giving a clear direction. I mean, look at the fair value gap. It is straight above the fair value gaps here, and look at on the lower side, how it's beautifully respecting this fair value gap. So it's clearly not a good sign. Uh, this day was the high of the week for me. I think this is the high of the week, and we should not violate that. And let me remove this one because it's not needed. Um, okay. Oops. What's that? Hmm. What kind of insect is that? What? Okay. So just a second. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm back. Okay. I just paused the video. I'm in the recording. Okay. So in the dollar index, I can see bullish price action. Price are respecting the bullish PD areas, but in the zero, um, that's a little bit doubt for me because the value gap is being respected. That's why. Also, this favor gap. Look at this one. This favor gap was being respected here, but not respected here. Although it is respected here, that's why it's respected the speedy array, the down candle. I mean the up candle. So it's not troubling too much, but it's not a good sign. Just now, really need to see this price is doing. Okay, so now obviously we can see there are a lot of levels here. Let me expand this one a little bit. Under the 4 hour time frame, what we can see is the failure after the day one. Okay, now let's quickly end this one. Um, this failure gap is being respected, but also I want to show you something. For that, we need to see this time frame. Not on this one. Lower, I think. Okay, so yesterday we fill the gap, the wick, and look at the bodies. It is respecting the old 1 hour. It is respecting the old fair value gap. This one, how it is respecting value gap. See that? Yeah. So today I do see bearishness in the price. Yesterday I took a trade here. Yeah, I think so. Exited here. I was thinking of holding it, but I didn't then. So anyway, what I'm saying that we have filled this fair value gap, but this is also not the high of the day. I think this is not the high of the day. I think we will surely we can take out this high. We can take out this high, and we can reach in the premium level. I mean, from this high to this low, we can fall from here. We can ultimately we are targeting this low. But if price drops from here, I will not take the. I mean, I know price is selling. I know, and now I'm not gonna revenge trade. I mean, I'm not gonna take an opposing trade to take a buy from here and thinking of it reaching here because our narrative is bearish. It's very risky in this moment. Okay, 15-minute time frame. Okay, we are near the end of the session. Um, Now obviously for me, guys, do you guys just see this fair value gap? This fair value gap is being violated by this huge body candle. A single move it has violated this low and this low. Now for me, guys, this is a point of interest. Really, that's a good point of interest. Let's see dollar. What I'm expecting in the dollar, if you remember, I'm thinking it will came down here, right? So although I can see it's too high than what we are expecting in the dollar, but I think price can fill this one. I think so. Well, down, up, down. Well, um, this is also a good point of interest. What? This is also a good point of interest. Maybe we wanna see that fair value gap left as it is. We can trade this breaker. Also, it's merging with this up close candle. Finally, 5-minute time frame. The reason I'm taking out this consecutive down candles because it has already taken out the liquidity some of the here. Oh, sorry about that. Okay. The reason is we have taken out the sell side liquidity here. We rallied, take out this high. So obviously it's gonna be act as a breaker here. And yeah, on the lower time frames, we can see a whipsaw, but the higher time frame, like 15-minute, this is still a fair value gap. This one. But every time it doesn't need to well, price can do something like this one. It can trade here, trade I mean wick a little bit and fill this one a little bit, then we can fall. But Obviously, it doesn't need to fill that one because we are having a breaker. Breaker is most explosive one. Listen, I mean not listen. See, we hadn't reached the breaker here. We are just trading inside this premium end of the fair value gap for the daily time frame. I'll show you that in the last trade down and the EBITDA, the high, the low, all the way trade higher, but still strong liquidity. Strong liquidity on the downside. But I had a mistake a few days ago, thinking of let's take a buy, and price is obviously gonna reach there, but it ends up just falling down. So I'm not gonna do that again. And that's all for it is. And look, if price does reach here, and then we can fall. That's gonna be a good area for me to sell. And this is what it is. And at the last, yesterday I took a trade here. I exited somewhere here because I was not able to satisfy myself that it's going to like continue going down. That's up, and that's up, and it ends up retracing too much paper, which I don't like. I usually don't like trades which retrace too much because it's really too heavy. It shouldn't. Okay, so this is what it is for the guys, and this is what it is for today, guys. And let's see if price. My point of interest for the dollar. One more time frame. 1 hour time frame. Price can fill this one, but this is the most salient one, which has broken above the height, above the consolidation. So for me, this area is more salient than this one. I don't think this low will be taken out. I do want to see a rally here. We'll take out this lows, and then we can see rally. Same in the EURUSD. I'm more so interested in this breaker rather than that one. Also, just look at and let's mark this consecutive encroachment because price can reach here. I'm showing you how step by step a detailed analysis is being done. You're not gonna find this in any books. This is pure ICT, pure, pure ICT concept, guys. Oops, why I remove that? Yeah, well, that's all for today. Wish you good luck and good trading, guys.